Hi guys, welcome to Homemade Food. Thank you for stopping by today. Today we are going to cook flavorful, aromatic, healthy, nutritious and delicious whole roasted chicken. For detailed recipe, please stay with us. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wash chicken properly. Add quarter cup vinegar in 1 liter water and soak chicken in it for 30 minutes. Mix 2 to 3 tablespoons lemon juice in half teaspoon salt and rub it on dry chicken thoroughly. Leave it again for 30 minutes more. Prepare a spice mix of your own choice to marinate chicken. Add 3 tablespoons lemon juice and 2 tablespoons vinegar into a mixing bowl. Add half tablespoon salt, half teaspoon ginger and garlic powder each, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili flakes, quarter teaspoon black pepper powder and red chili powder each, half teaspoon crushed cumin seeds, crushed coriander seeds, crushed carom seeds, crushed dried fenugreek leaves and 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Mix well and rub it generously on chicken and leave it for 3 to 4 hours. Cook chicken in its own liquids and juices on medium flame to seal flavors in it for 5 minutes on each side. Add 1.5 cup of oil to pan. Cook on medium-high flame on each side for 4 to 5 minutes with lid on pan. After this process, set flame on dead low and cook each side for 7 to 10 minutes with lid on pan. Keep flipping till meat gets tender, aromatic and juicy. Flavorful, aromatic, healthy, nutritious and delicious whole roasted chicken is ready to serve. We hope you will give it a try. Enjoy and share with your family, friends and people around you. Stay blessed and give us your feedback. We will see you in our next video. Take a good care of yourself and people around you. Thanks for watching.